Just little notes. And there's another note. Okay, so I have a lot of reading to do, so BRB. Okay, getting to the real juice. I read all of the letters. It was kind of long, but what is this? This dog is adorable, by the way, Gianna. Okay, so we got this stuff. What is this? So I think this is blank note cards. This is kind of cute. So I think you can like write on them, send some letters. I don't know, but I'm guessing they are. Ooh, and I think she wrote her address on all of them. That must have took a while. And there's more. Oh, so cute dogs. Okay, so thank you a lot for this, Gianna. I will probably use these to write some letters and stuff. We can mail back and forth. And is those stamps? Thank you for stamps. This is wonderful. Thank you for this. Thank you. Next. Are you kidding me? Gianna! I can see a dog's calendar. Thanks again, Gianna. Thank you for all the stock stuff. I really appreciate it. That's why in the letter you said that you had the other half of the necklace. Thank you so much, Gianna. I forgot to tell you that I found my other friendship necklace, but this one's much better because it's a dog one. So I will keep this one safe and not lose this one. I promise, I promise, I promise. Again. Okay, Gianna, I'm gonna wear this every day, no joke. And hopefully we can have a Zoom sometime, so yeah. And I'll write my letter back to you. So let me put this on. Wait, I'll put it on in a sec. After about, I wouldn't say 10 minutes, but 5 minutes, it struggled. But thank you so much, Gianna, for this. Ow, that hurt my hair. But thank you for all of this. I read all the notes. I got all of the items. This is too adorable. No joke. I think I should get this special keepsake box of like best friend things, and I'll ask my mom to text your mom around right now if we can have a Zoom. So bye, Gianna, and thank you so much for these presents or surprises.